Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank all the new subscribers for coming back to the channel. I also want to thank all the other people for keep watching my channel. I greatly appreciate it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, so please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Bye.
These guys are looking pretty good. Just wanted to kind of give you a little update what's going on in my loft. Been doing a lot of cleaning and some vaccination. Today is one of the warmest days we've had in a while. It's actually 32 degrees outside, and I've been vaccinating all the little youngsters. I vaccinated 26 youngsters so far, which is pretty good. Except for that guy there, I still haven't vaccinated. But so now I actually emptied all these little guys out, all in this bowls, so that way they can actually make some more babies. So I vaccinated those two little guys there too, but I haven't put them on the floor quite yet. They're not quite old enough, but they're getting close. So normally I don't put them on the floor. I've had bad luck in the past, but I've had really bad luck in the past. Like I said, I've had actually other cockbirds and stuff and beat the heck out of them. These guys are hungry, so I fed them. So anyways, these guys are eating pretty good. I had some bad news though too. The white lightning, she never did lay a second egg, so I ended up pulling that egg. So hopefully now she'll make some more babies this time, hopefully. Cross my fingers. So that's all I can do. But everybody in here is looking really, really good. I kind of got to take advantage of this nice warm weather we're having, because as of starting on Friday, today is Wednesday, we start dropping temperature. The high of 10 degrees on Friday, and then it keeps getting colder. We're supposed to get down to 20 below zero. And the high for Sunday is 5 below zero, which is kind of interesting to see how well that does. But I know in the past I told you them feeders there, the drinkers there, that water-based heater works pretty good. It keeps it from freezing up. So, but I put all the youngsters on the floor. I normally haven't been doing that, but this year here I wanted this. I tried it in the other loft for the last 3 days, and it's really worked well. They keep hiding from the other birds, and I think in a bigger group like this, they don't get picked on so much. So in the past, I've actually had smaller groups, so maybe this will make a difference. I don't know. We'll have to see, I guess. So I'll keep you posted and let you know what's going on. So like I said, I had to take advantage of this nice warm weather we're having. So all the little youngsters in here are doing good too. Get all covered up. I'm looking forward to see how this little bronze one here looks like. He's sure dripping. As you can see here, they're not quite ready to be weaned off yet, so they're getting close. But everybody's looking really good in there. I got a couple more over here. So as you can see here, I got all of them. No more babies in here. They're all taken out. I got one sitting there, sitting on eggs. So, but that's part of the reason I cleaned everything out of here, so they can start laying more eggies, and have more babies. Even with 32 degrees out here, some of this poop is still frozen, so hard to get it out of here. So overall, pretty good. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video and that little update here. So I usually do vaccinate my birds anywhere from, what is it, 25 days all the way down to 23 days or 20 days. So I've done that, but most of the time I stuck around between 23 to 25 days. So, but these guys are looking pretty good. So please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.